In this quick guide, we're going to show you how to set up Livestorm webinar registration pages, making it easy for you to get your audience signed up and ready to attend your webinars. Whether you're new to Livestorm or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a seamless registration process. And I'll also reveal how you can use this software completely free with some exclusive bonuses. Let's dive right into it. First things first, when you log into Livestorm, go to your dashboard and click on the Create a Webinar button. Livestorm makes it really easy to get started. It's designed to handle your webinar setup from start to finish, so let's take advantage of it. After you've created your webinar, you'll be prompted to create your registration page. The registration page is where your attendees will sign up to join your webinar. Livestorm has pre-designed templates, so you don't have to worry about designing anything from scratch. Select the template that best suits your branding, and you're already halfway there. Next, you'll want to customize the page to match your event. You can change the title, description, and even the images to make the page visually appealing. A strong, clear call to action is crucial here. Something like register now or join us live will encourage potential attendees to click through. Livestorm allows you to add custom fields too, so you can ask for extra details such as job title, company, or location if necessary. One of the most valuable features of Livestorm's registration pages is its integration with your email marketing tools. Once you've set up your registration form, Livestorm will automatically send confirmation emails to registrants. You can customize the emails too, include the details for your webinar, like the date, time, and how to join. To further personalize the experience, you can also set up reminder emails. Livestorm lets you schedule these in advance, so your attendees will receive timely reminders before the webinar starts, keeping them engaged and reducing no-shows. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your audience on track. If you're looking to promote your webinar, Livestorm also provides an option to create unique registration links. This is ideal if you're running ads or sharing your webinar across different platforms. Each link can track how many people have registered through it, so you can measure the success of your campaigns. And here's a cool trick. You can also add your social media links directly to the registration page. This encourages your attendees to share the event with their network, giving you organic exposure and boosting your registration numbers. The more your attendees share, the more people will find out about your event. Once everything is set up, go ahead and test the registration page. You want to make sure it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Livestorm's registration pages are fully responsive, but it's always good to double check that everything works smoothly before going live. So now that you've set up your registration page, what's next? You'll want to start promoting your event. Livestorm makes it easy to share your registration link on social media, via email, or even on your website. Remember, using Livestorm's registration pages not only saves you time, but also helps you convert more visitors into attendees with its seamless process and built-in features. Finally, if you're looking to try Livestorm yourself, make sure to click the link in the description below for an exclusive and extended free trial. You can test out all the features with no commitment and see firsthand how powerful this tool is for your webinar needs. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to create effective and engaging registration pages for your next webinar with Livestorm.